Hello, students. Welcome to my video lectures on science and technology. In today's lecture, we'll be talking about the biodiversity, what is biodiversity, and how it plays a very essential role in sustaining ecological balance, supporting ecosystems, health, and resilience. So, what is biodiversity? Well, there are three levels. You have the species diversity, you have the genetic diversity, and you have the ecosystem diversity. So what is the species diversity? Species diversity refers to the number of different species and the abundance of each species in a given area. It is vital for ecosystem resilience, allowing ecosystems to respond to environmental changes effectively. Then you have the genetic diversity. Genetic diversity is crucial for the survival of the species as it enhances the ability of populations to adapt to changing environment. A broader genetic base leads to increased resilience against diseases and environmental changes. Ecosystem diversity. When you have the ecosystem diversity encompasses the variety of ecosystems found within a geographical area, including forests, wetlands, deserts, and oceans. Each ecosystem provides unique services and supports distant biological communities. Then levels of biodiversity, so genetic level, variation within the species. Species level, that's different species in an ecosystem. And ecosystem level, that's various ecosystems in a geographical area. Now, importance of biodiversity. Now, biodiversity ensures the provision of essential ecosystem services such as clean air and water, soil fertility, and pollination, which are vital for human survival and ecological health. Economic value. Biodiversity contributes significantly to economic activities, including agriculture, fisheries, tourism, generating revenue and jobs while supporting sustainable livelihood. Then cultural significance. Cultural diversity is enriched through biodiversity, influencing local customs, traditions, art forms, and spiritual beliefs, thus playing a key role in human identity and heritage. Then what are the threats to biodiversity? Understanding the major threats to biodiversity is crucial for effective conservation efforts. So first one, the habitat loss, deforestation, and agriculture leads to significant habitat destruction, endangering numerous species. Then the climate change, shifts in the temperature and weather patterns disrupt habitats and alter the distribution of species, threatening their survival. And then pollution, chemicals, plastics, and noise pollution degrade ecosystems, adversely affecting flora and fauna and reducing biodiversity. So what are the conservation efforts? A structured approach to protecting biodiversity through various initiatives and community involvement. Protected areas, creating and maintaining national parks, wildlife reserves, and marine protected areas to conserve habitats and species. Then legislation, implementing and enforcing laws aimed at safeguarding endangered species and regulating activities that threaten biodiversity. And community engagement, collaborating with local communities to promote sustainable practices that benefit both biodiversity and human livelihood. Some of the case studies in biodiversity conservation worth reading are the Amazon rainforest conservation and Great Barrier Reef protection. I would strongly advise you students to do a little bit of research on these two case studies. So biodiversity is essential for sustaining life on Earth. Protecting it requires collective action, innovative solutions, and a commitment to preserving the natural world for future generations. Thank you and have a lovely day.